Blog is very important when you do social media marketing and when you do digital marketing. Blog is something very important. It helps you to bring traffic from social media to your blog, and also helps you in search engine optimization as well. So blog is very important because one of the reason is because it's an information content. It nurtures, it helps your customers, and that's why it's very important that you should always write a blog. Let's talk about tools that can help you to build blogs. Number one is Weebly. You can always go to a blog. Let's say you just need to log in with your Gmail ID, that's it. Let's say I want to create a blog, for example. So let's say view more themes. You can see they've got a lot of themes. Let's say, for example, I want to create a blog. You can select any. So let's say if I click this, and then what you can do is you can see start editing, right? So you can always start creating a blog. It's very simple, and if you click on start editing, you can start creating your blog as well with the help of Weebly as well. So there are a lot of tools which offers, so that is really very important that you can use. And then if you wish, you can also upgrade with the plan as well. It's not that costly, but it's gonna add a lot of value if you want to start blog writing quickly. So this is one tool that you can use, which is Weebly. Now there are a lot of other tools as well, so you can also you can do a lot of things. Just check this option and you can do a lot of things which is important. Now next tool that's gonna help you to create a lot of blogs, which is Wix. So Wix is another very powerful website to create a lot of blogs, even a store as well. A lot of things you can do. You can build a website using Wix as well. It's again a very powerful platform that you can use very easily, and there are some other tools as well. So Page Cloud is also there. You can also go to Theme Forest, and you can also go to Blogger as well. So there are a lot of tools which can help you to create blogs as well.